Hey everyone, today I will show you how to create stunning AI generated images for free using ChatGPT 4 image generation feature. No paid tools needed, you can do this right now without upgrading. First, we will sign up or log into ChatGPT, then I will reveal the exact prompt in a Word file. And finally, we will generate few amazing images together. By the way, if you want to try it out, all these prompts will be available in the video description so that you could go ahead and just copy and use for yourself with few changes. Now let's get started. If you are new, just go to ChatGPT website and sign up for a free account. If you already have an account, simply go ahead and log in. Before we generate images, here are the exact prompts inside a Word document. These prompts will help us to get high quality results. You can copy them from the video description and customize them with your own ideas. Now let's start with our first simple prompt that will generate a 3D sci-fi city scenes with ultra-realistic details. Look at this incredible futuristic city. The neon lights are glowing, skyscrapers are towering, and check out the flying cars. It's like a stepping into a sci-fi movie scene. The level of detail is amazing, from the reflection on the buildings to the atmospheric lighting. This is what happens when you use a well-crafted AI prompt. You can tweak colors, add characters, or even create different city styles by adjusting the text. Now, let's go with our second prompt, that is a natural cartoon style forest full with rich color and cozy atmosphere. Now, here is our beautiful cartoon forest scene. Look at how rich and vibrant colors are. The deep greens and expressive animals bring it to life. Notice the cozy little cottage in the background, adding warmth to the image. If you want a different landscape, just replace the parts of the prompt and create your own magical world. Now let's go ahead with our last and quick prompt that will show us a Ghibli style image of the village. And here's our stunning Ghibli style village. The details are absolutely magical, flowing skirts on the girls, fluffy chickens pecking at the ground, and the buffalo standing gracefully with their dreamy sunset sky behind them. Doesn't this feel a scene straight out of a Studio Ghibli film? You can create your own variants by changing the characters, adding more animals, or adjusting the scenes to match your vision. And there you have it. We just generated amazing AI images for free using ChatGPT 4's image generation feature. If you want unlimited image generation, you can upgrade to the paid version. But if you don't want to upgrade, just wait for a few hours and your limit will be auto renewed, allowing you to generate more images again. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to ITeePK. And let me know in the comments which AI images you want me to create next. See you in the next video. Happy creating.